Alright, I have my 79 Cadillac Coupe de Ville. As you can see, she's got stuff on her. She hasn't been ran for a while. But good little car. Big car, let's just say that. I'm not gonna say little. But I'm gonna try and start her up. It's been about the first time in maybe a couple weeks, probably been 3 or 4 weeks I started her up, so I'm gonna start her up. I like to start her up here and there to keep some charge in the battery, so we're gonna see how she starts. Okay, lights come on, that's a good sign, so let's see what happens. Gotta pump the gas pedal a couple times. 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, prime the carburetor. It's alive!